So in total, in the county, we've administered vaccine of 1 or 2 doses to over 15,000 people. We think with all the partners, the pharmacies, the hospitals, our state facilities, that probably another 10,000 doses have been given, at least first doses. So we're closing in on 10% of our population having had the opportunity for a vaccine, if you put those numbers together. As I mentioned, vaccine supply is definitely our issue, and we are feeling that very acutely for the week coming. We had mentioned earlier in the week we were going to expand our number of vaccines available this week and hope to keep pace with that next week, but our allocation has dipped. We've received notice of only getting 900 doses next week. And we're not sure what that's about, but with that, we have had to make some very difficult decisions. And so, given what we have in stock and what we are getting this week, we have had to make the very difficult decision to close for the entire week next week, our Paso and our AG sites. We will remain open at our SLO site, which is at Cuesta College, but only Monday through Thursday. The reason that we need to do this is we want to operate efficiently. It makes no sense to put a couple of hundred doses and 30 people all day in 3 different sites, but really we want to get the most people with the staffing that we have and to operate efficiently. The other reason for SLO site being the one to operate is we're focusing on second doses next week. We're going to have both Pfizer and Moderna at that site, as well as first and second doses. And so they're more seasoned, if you will, about being able to handle the logistics and the complexities of that. But we very much anticipate in the coming weeks that all of our sites will be able to handle first and second doses simultaneously. We are using Moderna at our outlying clinics, Paso and Arroyo Grande sites, because there's less cold chain concerns with that product, and we're maintaining all of our Pfizer use at the SLO clinic. But this is not set in stone. We reevaluate every single week. So first doses, second doses, Pfizer versus Moderna, how many of each. It is an ongoing iterative process. But just to recap for next week, we will have 1 location, SLO County at the Cuesta site. It will be focusing on second doses, but also some first doses available at that site, and only Monday through Thursday. And we'll reevaluate for the following week just as soon as we get more information on our supply acquisition.